Hey, Rising Stars, we are in our Piano Adventure Lesson Book A, and we are playing Old Pig Donald. Now, this is another black key song, and we have whole notes. So that means when we get to our rhythm, and we are going to learn with our super beat heroes, we're going to have super beats, Monty Melon, and Melody Watermelon for our notes. Okay, so we are here on our black keys. And we are going to go through and just say our finger numbers, and then we'll do our beats. So when we start off, we've got Old Pig Donald in the right hand, Old Pig Donald, left hand, back to right hand, and then we repeat. Right hand, left hand, right hand. Now, right hand, next page. Left hand, back to the beginning. Right hand, and that's where we end. Okay, so let's go through and now do our finger numbers. 3 and 2 on our left hand, 2, 3, and 4 on our right hand. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2. Repeat. 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2. Okay, one more time through, and this time we're going to say our beats. So here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Beat, 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 melon. Beat, 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 watermelon. Beat, 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 melon. Beat, 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 watermelon. Beat, beat, melon. Beat, beat, melon. Beat, 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 melon. Beat, 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 watermelon. There you go. Another study of the black keys.